Welcome back to my channel. So this video is all about the hottest 2019 luxury bathroom trends we'll be seeing this year. Homeowners looking to update their bathroom, as well as buyers, are now seeking luxurious spa-like bathrooms to bring out their inner peace. Bathrooms are a place to relax and unwind after a hard day's work, so why not make it like a trip to a spa? Top designs this year include a mix of neutral color palettes, exposed shower plumbing, and gold-infused hardware detailing. Open concept designs are another highly sought after trend, which allows for master bedrooms to be connected openly to the master bathroom, creating a serene place ideal for relaxing. White and gray marble continue to be strong, popular materials well into 2019 for both bathrooms and kitchens alike. They are classic and timeless and can go from traditional to modern in terms of aesthetics, and are also great for reselling. Bathroom designs are also getting a strong influence with Art Deco inspired designs and shapes with new modern styles of bathtubs. So what's your favorite new bathroom trend for 2019? Leave us your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time.